Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add the Polygon network to Metamask. Polygon was previously branded as Matic, which is why some of the info I'm going to show you is labeled as Matic rather than Polygon. So to start out with, we're going to go to Metamask wallet extension and click on the top here where it says the current network you're on, which is probably going to be the Ethereum mainnet. Clicking on that, it shows which networks you have available to connect to. We don't have Polygon network available right here, so we're going to add it using the custom RPC section. So click on that, and then now we're going to input some specific info that will allow you to add the Polygon network. Now, I have already added Polygon network in the past, so some of these are going to autofill. But I'm going to put these in and then also add the specific information to the description. So make sure that you have the exact same info that I have in here. So name, RPC URL, chain ID, and these ones are optional but good to add in anyway. So if you need to, pause the video here and make sure that you have this info in the same way I do. Once you have that in, then you're going to want to hit save, and now you'll have Matic network available here. So now you can see at the top it no longer says Ethereum mainnet, and now says Matic mainnet, and it's now showing in the drop down menu. So now you can switch between Matic, aka Polygon, and Ethereum network whenever you want. I hope this video has been helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.